Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an eyebrow routine tutorial on sparse brows. So as you see here, my eyebrows have nothing on them and I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill them in. Now before we get on to the video, please press the subscribe button down below and also please give this video a thumbs up and let's get into the tutorial. My eyebrows tend to get very oily, so I like to put powder on top of them. So I'm just taking this Bakerie powder and I'm just going to apply that. With the spoolie side of the Anastasia brow wiz, I like to brush my hair upwards, and then after that I like to draw a line underneath my eyebrows so that I draw the line and I give my eyebrow a shape, because I don't have like hair at the end of my eyebrows, so I basically have to draw the tail of my eyebrows myself. So I literally draw a line on the bottom of my whole brow and then the top part of my brow, but just the end part where the ends of the tail meet. Now that I'm done with my tail, I actually start from the front. So basically I'm going to fill in the front part of my eyebrows, and every couple of strokes, like light strokes, I brush up my hair. And when I fill in my eyebrows, I like to go in the upward motion because I like to give like my brows like a feathery look. I don't like my brows looking so perfect and so sculpted. I like a little bit of a messy look. So I started in the front and then I work my way to the end of the brow. And the reason why I like to start with the front of my brows as opposed to like starting from the back to the front is because I feel like when I do the front of my brows, it really helps to shape my eyebrows, and it just helps me get more of like that look that I'm looking for. So now I'm gonna go in with just light strokes and I'm gonna fill in basically where I have a lot of like bald spots, which is like my whole eyebrow because I don't have eyebrows. But I'm just gonna go in and just keep brushing, and I'm gonna keep filling it in and just brushing and filling it in and just brushing, and just like back and forth until I get the look that I really want. Here I'm just getting closer to show you guys exactly like how I do the front of my brows and the types of strokes I do, and I'm just adding like those finishing touches and brushing my hair upwards in upward motion, and I'm just continuing to fill in my eyebrows. I'm just filling in all those bald spots that I have, and I'm just perfecting like the tail and the shape of my brows. Like my brows literally take 10 to 15 minutes because I just feel like sometimes I have a hard time shaping them and filling them in because sometimes they're so complex and complicated. Now that my brows are pretty much filled in, I'm going to go in with the finishing touch, the last step. I'm going to take my Nudestix eyebrow stylish gel and I'm going to apply that to my brows. And when I apply the eyebrow gel, I like to go in the upward motion because I like to brush my eyebrow hairs upwards. So the brow gel is going to set my brows in place and it's going to keep my eyebrows pretty crunchy and hard, and they'll keep them like upwards, which is what I really like. And I like to use very little gel because this gel can really like be a lot for your eyebrows, and it can really make my eyebrows like super wet and it won't like stick up or dry really well. So make sure like if you're using this gel, just try to swipe off as much gel as you can. So guys, that is it for my eyebrow routine on sparse brows video. I really hope this was helpful to some of you guys. I think it's just very helpful to make sure you outline the eyebrow shape and you just shape it to how you like it. Everybody's eyebrows are different, so I just really hope that this helped some of you, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!